Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, so I've assigned a quiz, a very simple 5-question quiz on inequalities. And here you have the problem of the day from Tuesday. And it says on the top here, we've got x, which represents all numbers, greater than. We've learned that it's greater than the alligator eats the big number. So be careful. It doesn't always necessarily point left. You've got to read it from the x greater than 3. The graph here shows x less than 3. The shading is to the left of the 3, which is less than. It does not match, so you should have answered no. Just a quick reminder down here in the bottom corner, I've got greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to signs. We'll start some interval work next week, but for this week, just try to get comfortable with greater than, less than, and their graphs, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and their graphs. Keeping it pretty basic this week. The videos I posted on Monday are pretty good also to help you in that process. Have a great Wednesday. Talk to you guys tomorrow.